SPI was unique to me. A lot of great content, but more importantly, people that I connected with. And given my healthcare background, it was curious because SPI is the only sales training organization that has a focus in healthcare. And so my background became very beneficial to SPI, but SPI's focus also in healthcare as a subgroup really helped me see a path of where I could make a difference. So I had actually 3 contracts in front of me at the time I was getting ready to make a decision. 2 of the biggest names in the industry plus SPI. And I chose SPI because I love the content, I love the people. And another thing I liked is it's customizable. You know, it's not, hey, here's our sales training modality, you need to conform to it. SPI takes the sales training modality and bends it to your system.